in our syllabus, and I have classified those bodies into three classifications. First one is the constitutional bodies, second one is the statutory body, and third one is extra constitutional body or non statutory body or non constitutional body. Clear? So we will be covering all these bodies in our lectures. First we will start with the constitutional body. First, see what is constitutional body. Constitutional body means those bodies about which there is detailed provision in the constitution. Detailed provision in the constitution. Those bodies about which there is detailed provision in the constitution. Clear? Those bodies are called as constitutional bodies. For example, see, for example, I have told you about Attorney General of India. Attorney General of India is under which article? Attorney General of India is under Attorney General of India. Attorney General of India is given in Article 76. Also, I have told about the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Comptroller and Auditor General of India is in Article 148. Clear? Finance Commission. Finance Commission under Article 280. भूल गए सारे आर्टिकल्स? हाँ? Keep on revising, otherwise you won't be able to recall. I am telling you this again and again. Then, Election Commission of India, Article 324. UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, Article 315. Write down these articles again and do learn these articles. So these are the constitutional bodies. Also GST Council, Article 279A. Clear? Interstate Council, Interstate Council, Article 263. In state pieces, they will directly ask you the articles in the exam. So learn these articles. And in mains, you'll have to write in detail about the composition of these bodies, about the appointment in these bodies, function of these bodies, what are the various limitations associated with these bodies. We will be discussing all these in these lectures. Clear? But before that, at least learn the articles, because these articles will give you a good point to start your introduction. For example, if any question is there regarding the Finance Commission, so you can directly write that under Article 280 of the Indian Constitution, there is a provision for the Finance Commission, which is appointed by the President within 5 years or earlier, whenever President required. So that will be a good introduction, no? And in prelims, in state pieces, they will directly ask questions, and they will give you four bodies there and four articles there, and they will ask you to match these bodies correctly. Or maybe sometime they will ask you which one of the following is not correctly matched. So this type of question has been asked in state PCS. Clear? Now come to the statutory bodies. What do you mean by statutory bodies? Means bodies created by act of Parliament or state legislature. Bodies created by act of parliament or state legislature. Clear? For example, National Human Rights Commission. Clear? State Human Rights Commission. Central Information Commission. State Information Commission. Central Vigilance Commission. National Human Rights Commission, State Human Rights Commission, Central Information Commission, State Information Commission, and Central Vigilance Commission. These bodies are created either by the Act of Parliament or by the Act of State Legislature. For example, SHRC, State Human Rights Commission, created by State Legislature. Clear? Now come to the extra constitutional and non-statutory body. Extra constitutional bodies, non-statutory bodies, are non-constitutional bodies. Means those bodies which are created by executive resolution. Created by executive resolution. Clear? Means those bodies which are neither given in the constitution nor created by any act of parliament or any act of state legislature, but are created by executive resolution. Clear? For example, Niti Aayog. Or Central Bureau of Investigation. These bodies are created by passing executive resolution. That's why they are known as extra constitutional bodies or non-statutory bodies or non-constitutional bodies. No. For example, Planning Commission. Planning Commission was also a extra constitutional, a non-statutory body. Clear? And now Planning Commission has been abandoned, and in the place of Planning Commission, Niti Aayog has been created on the 1st January 2015. 1st January 2015. They have asked the date also. So write down the date, 1st January 2015. Clear? So Planning Commission has been abolished and it has been replaced with the Niti Aayog on the 1st January 2015. So no special act is required to abolish any extra constitutional body. Clear? It can be simply done by the executive.